Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get rid of screen time on iPhone. So if you want to turn off or disable your screen time, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to get rid of screen time on iPhone, it depends on your iPhone iOS. If you use iOS 16 or earlier, you will be able to turn off screen time. But if you use iOS 17 or later, you'll not be able to directly turn off screen time on your iPhone, but you can stop the screen time from working. So to start with, getting rid of the screen time on your iPhone, go ahead, open your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down until you get to screen time and click on it. Now, this is how your screen time is going to look on iOS 18 or iOS 17. If you use iOS 16 or earlier, if you scroll down to where you say turn off app and website activity, you'll be able to turn off screen time straight. So in this case, click on turn off screen time or turn off app and website activity. Then you'll be prompted to provide your screen time passcode. So go ahead, provide your screen time passcode, and then again, tap turn off app and website activity. Now, screen time is here to be turned off completely. For you to turn off your screen time completely, come here to where you see change screen time passcode, and then tap turn off screen time passcode. Provide your screen time passcode, and then you're good. Then the moment you see lost screen time settings, your iPhone screen time will neither record your activities on your iPhone or protect your activities on your iPhone screen page with a passcode. So that's all you need to do. You can also come here and disable share across devices. You can enable this on any device signed into iCloud to sync your screen time settings. So if you want to use the same screen time setting on your iPad and Mac, then you can just turn this on or turn it off to disable it, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to get rid of screen time on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.